Well, hello, viewers. Hello, hello. I'm here at my brother's house. Actually, I wasn't supposed to be here, but a great evil took place yesterday at Camp Gospel. I actually went to Marc's to get some food items. I was out of food, some milk and some victuals. And when I came back, somebody entered into my tent and actually stole a lot of my personal belongings, like all my clothes again got stolen. And my two Bibles, my little white Bible I would read from, that was taken. The little Cambridge Bible, it's white, like a wedding Bible, Morocco leather bound, that was taken. And my clothes, all my clothes were taken. So, and my dry bags too. I had those Aqua Net, I think that's the name of it, Aqua Quest, I think. It's a Canadian brand but made in Taiwan. 30-liter bag and a 60-liter bag, and I had clothes in there, like shirts and shorts and pants and stuff like that. And it was just taken. That's kind of what happened. So I lost everything. So I'm definitely not going back to Akron, Ohio. I'm going to be actually going to Salina. I'll be biking out to Salina. I'm just going to be here for a few weeks. I'll probably go stay at my sister-in-law's place for a few weeks and then go to Salina. So with that being said, remember to donate to my channel here so I could replenish the things I lost. I need to get some another Bible case, some clothes, some dry bags. And so I'm going to put the link in the description box so you could donate to my PayPal channel, and those proceeds will go to get me what I need, what that was stolen. Okay, dear viewers, so it's kind of a hard time for me right now. Thank you for watching my channel, and I will be back out on the streets preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ and making more great videos just for you, dear viewers. So God bless. Bye-bye.